Everyone,
We're Team HouseLoo.
Now before we begin, let me start with a question. How many of you have spent hours, maybe even days, scrolling through endless housing listings, opening dozens of tabs, and still feeling overwhelmed?
We spoke with 47 students across campus and 89% of them told us the same thing. Finding housing isn't hard because of a lack of options, it's exhausting because there are too many options. We interviewed someone like Jobin and he gave us his perspective.
Hi, who am I here with today? What program are you in, Jobin?
I'm in Toronto.
At Waterloo?
Yeah, Waterloo.
Okay, so we were just wondering, we had a couple questions. How has your experience been with housing and finding housing in your terms?
It's like really hard. I have to go on so many different platforms to find a place to sublet, to lease, and on top of that, sometimes they don't even give like enough information to actually make a intelligent decision.
That's why we built HouseLoo, a Tinder-style interface that transforms housing search from overwhelming to intuitive, as simple as scrolling left or right. So hey everyone, welcome to HouseLoo. Here's our login page. We're going to put our email and password in and log on to the home screen. Here we have the home page. So here you can see all of the listings that we've web scraped off Waterloo websites of different listings. So here we have a listing for $19.50 a month. We can either scroll left or right. This is a little too expensive for me, so let's scroll left on that. Here's another listing. You can click on it to see the details, amenities, descriptions, and even contact the landlord straight using the website. Let's go back. That's also a little bit too expensive. Let's say we wanted to save a listing, we swipe right, and then we can see all of our saved listing in the Save tab. So here you can see all of your saved listings, remove them, click them for more information once again, and this is your one-stop shop for all Waterloo listings. So we know how lazy you Gen Zs are, so we built an additional feature to help you with your laziness. In our app, we have computer vision. So what you can do is you can swipe left or right with your hand, and it saves the listings you want and the ones you don't want. So you can be in your bed or on the train or anywhere and still be able to pick listings.
Now let us talk about impact and feasibility. We're addressing housing across all platforms by providing a central domain for all students to look for housing. Our plan aims to target 500 students at the University of Waterloo by the next semester, which is when we want to launch our application. We already researched 3 local property management companies, and statistics show that they expect a high fluctuation increase in the amount of housing demand in the next semester, so this is why we are launching at that time. On top of that, let's talk about scalability. Our infrastructure costs are minimal. We're using existing web technologies and our MVP is already functional.
Housing search shouldn't be a part-time job.
With HouseLoo, it's not.
We're making it simple, smart, and dare we say, maybe even enjoyable. Thank you for your time.